Here's our hotel room here in San Juan. We hear the waves from the ocean. There's downtown, beaches down here. Big TV, bed, and a couch. Yo, what's up? Okay, here we go. Here we go again. We've got a couch, bed, little table, little kitchen with a tiny stove. We've got a nice TV, little bathroom back there. Got this little nook where you can, that's a little table, microwave, toaster, all that stuff. It's a beachfront view. You can see all of the beach and everything in the morning, but you can hear those waves crashing right now. Look at them white caps. That's all of San Juan here in Condado area of San Juan, where all the beach condos are and hotels. Best beaches in San Juan. You see all them breakers and all the waves coming in. Very cool. So, but yeah, this is the place, and it is awesome. I'm liking it. And this is me. Adrian's taking a shower right now, so yeah, should come out. There we go. So, deuces. Even have our little pool. We even have a pool down there, so I think it's open 24/7. See some people in there now, so listen to them waves crash. It's awesome. Of course, there's some. You can see some ships. You can see the lights of the ships out at night. Barely see them, but they're out there doing their thing. So, all right, here we go. Oh, there's Adrian. Look out! What's up?
Stop.
Ow!
Do not put this anywhere.
Oh, it's going all over the internet. View from the 21st floor of this Airbnb, San Juan. You see all the mountains in the background. It's pretty cool. How you feeling this morning after them 2 margaritas from last night?
I'm fine, thank you very much.
Yes, she says that, but I don't think she is. Nice, gorgeous day. Gorgeous, gorgeous day. What's that?
This building's like straight across with the little tiled roofs.
Oh yeah, yeah, that is pretty cool. All right, let's go to the beach. Yeah. Little kitchen area. That's pretty cool. I guess there's another door over here by the pool. Got tennis courts, pool, volleyball over here on the beach. Got ping pong tables inside on the first floor. It's got all kinds of stuff. It's got some pool tables too. One thing we can't find is the actual door to get to the beach. Oh, here it is. It's actually got a shower too for your feet. You can wash the sand off. I'm assuming you can just go straight through this thing. You don't have to. Oh, it's got a key to it. an ocean. Sand, his feet in the ocean. Yep. I've seen some seaweed before. You should have saw what me and Sean had to walk through in Maine, going island hopping and stuff like that. All these seaweed on the ground. It's crazy. Woo, a little chilly. A little chilly. Oh yeah. Let's go see what this thing is right here. It's freaking awesome. Oh, that's storm sewer. Yeah, you don't want to be close to that bad boy. Pickleball with a volleyball net. It is a gorgeous day out today. It's gorgeous. A gorgeous wife. Look at that beautiful face right there. And cute little lips to kiss on.
Her needs coffee.
She needs some coffee, so she is a tad, what can I say, like, she's not a morning person, but hey, it's all good. She's still a cutie pie. I'll keep her. Yeah, we're about to go get some coffee and chill out. Water feels good now, so I'm used to it. Yep. We're gonna pass this little storm sewer over here.
I really thought this was like some beautiful like sculpture.
I did too. I was thinking somebody had made some kind of
painted on it or something far away.
Yep. But yep, it was a storm drain. Oh yeah.
Different colored leaves.
Yeah. Let's go to them rocks over there towards the end, that point. Let's go check those out.
Yeah.
What, that? Oh, the graffiti. The graffiti? Yeah. The graffiti's not the best in the world. These rocks are pretty cool. What you doing? What you doing?
Just licking.
Licking?
Yeah, okay, turn it off.
No.
No, I mean, no.
In your face. In your face. In your grill.
Okay.
I like that water.
I know, I love it. That's what I want to tell you. I want to take your good camera, like your still camera, because I want to take some pictures of this because I think that would be so pretty in our living room.
Absolutely.
Or the dining room.